Sorry about that video cutting out there. It looks like my S7 Edge decided to stop recording because it got hot, which isn't the first time it's happened. It actually did overheat yesterday too when I was just taking some short clips outside my balcony. Anyway, back onto topic. The Gear Fit 2 does have a very nice build, especially compared to the original Gear Fit. As I mentioned, you have this nice anodized aluminum frame around here, wrapped in plastic underneath, of course. The two buttons around the side. Just kind of giving you guys a quick look here. But my Gear Fit 2 is defective. I don't know if you guys can see on this side, where the band meets the body, there's actually a very tiny bit of band missing. And while I could get this, replaced, I really don't see it as being a big deal, but there are, it looks like, production issues with the bands initially. I might be the only one who has this issue. There might be other people. I'm not entirely sure. Either way, though, it doesn't really bother me. I enjoy this device quite a bit. I've been wearing it, pretty much constantly, aside from when I'm charging it. Since I bought the device, it does work very well, and it is a pretty solid device. Nothing's flimsy. I've never had an issue. I've actually knocked it against my table, which is solid hard wood before, and knocked against the wall. As you can see here, there is not a scratch or mark on it other than my nasty fingerprints. So, another thing I want to point out is the original Gear Fit had a shiny metallic clasp at the bottom. This one doesn't, and it doesn't scratch like that one did. So I'm going to quickly show you guys another thing in the menu here, if I can pull it up. So as I mentioned, you can add cards and you can remove them. But the bad part is you can only remove so many cards. You can't remove just the watch face itself. So if I really wanted to remove every single card here, I really can. And you're just stuck with the watch face. But you can't remove anything else. You can't remove the watch face, of course.